Hi, it's Laura Lynn from teddybearacademy.net. If you are new to making teddy bears, you might want to know, where do you get your teddy bear making supplies? They are not easy to find in stores, in local stores. So I do have, if you go to my website, teddybearacademy.net, and you go to the FAQ page, there'll be a drop-down menu. And the third on the bottom is where to buy bear making supplies. Most people get their bear making supplies via online. And on this page, I do have a list of suppliers worldwide. I try to keep this updated, but if I am missing a link, or if there's a link that you find that is dead, please feel free to let me know so I can update this particular page. Now here, teddybearacademy.net is located in the U.S., so I do have the United States teddy bear suppliers listed first. We have Edinburgh Imports, Intercal, Sassy Bears, CR's Crafts. In Canada, we have Bears in Bedtime, Shamrock Rose, Dear Bears, Labors of Love. In the United Kingdom, we have Bear Basics, Christy Bears, Mohair Bear Making Supplies. In Germany, we have Pro Bear, and I won't even attempt to pronounce this one. We have one in the Netherlands. In Australia, we have Teddy's Bits and Jerry's. We do have one listed in South Africa, Singapore, and I have several in Japan. Now there's different types of supplies that you need when making bears. You need fabric, joints to make your teddy bears posable, movable, so the limbs and the head move. You need eyes and the thread to insert the eyes, and then also the thread pearl cotton to stitch the nose. Let me show you how to navigate their sites basically. This is Edinburgh Imports. If you are looking for fabric, over here you have fabric by fiber type: mohair, alpaca, synthetic, wool, viscose and rayon, silk and cotton. Mohair is the most popular type. And you can see they have pictures, a snapshot of what the fabric is, a description here, and the price. Many people buy their fabric in what's called fat quarter yards. Instead of buying a full yard of fabric like this one, this A30-1000, it's $269 per yard. But many bears only require a quarter yard or less of fabric, so you don't have to buy the full yard. If you're looking for your joints and joint discs and hardware, they're right here. Embroidery yarn, that would be like the pearl cotton for the nose. That is right here. Many people do get their embroidery yarn at their local hobby shop. The eyes, you can see the eye floss. I like to use their special eye floss, which is an artificial sinew. I use this for inserting the eyes. You can get that right there. And then, of course, the eyes. There's quite a variety of eyes. Most of the eyes I use are the black eyes. And then as you click on either one, then you can get to all the different sizes that you need. For instance, let's go 7mm. And you do get quantity discounts with Edinburgh. Paw pad fabric. You can use all different types of fabric for your paw pads. Many people use ultra suede, and here you can purchase the paw pad fabric by the yard, or many people just buy it by the piece. There we go. Felt, mini fabric, or ultra suede. And then just click on those and add these to your cart. Now we're going to go to another supplier, There are 3 big teddy bear making suppliers in the U.S. They are Edinburgh, Intercal, and Sears Crafts. And Intercal's website, both Intercal and Edinburgh have recently updated their websites. At the time of this recording, it's June in 2020. Here at Intercal's website, they have the mohair listed up here, and you can either click right on the mohair just to get to all of the mohair, and then choose the type of finish you want and go from there. They have alpaca as well. Viscose is a relatively new fabric that's getting popular in, well, the fabric's not new, but its popularity in teddy bear making is fairly new. And then other synthetics. They have eyes located right here. And then other supplies, if you want to get to, on Intercal's website, if you're trying to get to their felt, they carry felt, pearl cotton, upholstery thread, acid dyes for dyeing your own fabric, hemostat joints, joint sets, or discs and hardware if you'd like to buy in bulk, and also fingertip brushes. And something about Intercal's website is they offer a lot of the more you buy, the more you save. So here they have free fabric coupons. And depending on the size of your order, for instance, if your order is $179 or more, then you get to order one of these fabrics for free. You can add them to your cart and there's no charge for it. And the more fabric you purchase, the more of these coupons you can use. So if you have a $399 order, you can get 5 of these fabrics. You can get 5 different ones, or you can get multiples of the same. And then they also have, you can go to, they have special sales, for instance, 10% off here, 15% off, 5% off. I think you see. These are the fabrics that they have on sale this week. They also have some free shipping or saving on shipping coupons. These cannot be used in conjunction with those free fabric coupons that I showed you before. So you have to decide which way would save you the most money, or if none of the fabrics appeal to you, then you can get free shipping instead. For me, as I mentioned, I'm located in the United States. I have found that the free fabric coupons, if I find fabrics that I want to try out, is a much better deal for me than the free shipping. If you're located within the U.S., Intercal often uses a flat rate priority shipping, which is very, very economical. And now we're going to go back to teddybearacademy.net, and we're still on the suppliers page, and we're going to go down to Sears Crafts. It's the other big supplier. Now, they are a supplier of craft supplier and dolls and doll supplies. But here we go to find your teddy bear making supplies. You go to bear supplies. And then you can see they've got eyes, fabrics, fasteners, meaning your joints. All different things here. You can click on fabrics and then choose. They do carry some mohair. And they also have a large selection compared to the other two of reasonably priced faux fur. The ones, my favorites here at Sears Crafts are usually teddy bear or cubby bear. fasteners, you can go to joints here if you want to buy everything at one place. Well, let's see what they have in glass animal eyes. They have glass animal eyes on different types. They have them on a wire, which I'm not familiar with that type of use, but they do also have them pre-looped to sew on. And that's what I would recommend, is the pre-looped eyes. There you go. So that's CR's Crafts. And the video coming next week, we'll go over some of the international teddy bear making suppliers. And if you would like to check them out yourself, again, just go to teddybearacademy.net, go to FAQ, and where to buy bear making supplies.